Good morning everybody and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Hope you're okay. Today is our last maths lesson before half term. Can you believe it? We've learned so many new numbers, we've done so much adding and lots of number sentences, part whole models. You've worked so hard. Today we're going to do our second day of ordinal numbers. That's first, second, third, and we're going to challenge ourselves to learn the days of the week. So we're going to start by thinking about shapes, hopefully. So I'm going to press this secret spy binocular glass and it's going to show you some properties of the shape. So it's probably going to show you the sides and corners. See if you can work out what shape this is and we'll see if we're right. Okay. Oh, that gives you a clue. It looks like a curved side. Shout it out. What do you think that shape is? Let's see if you're right. Well done if you said it's a circle. One curved side. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, next one. Are you ready? What do you think this shape is? How many corners can you count? How many sides can you see? Shout it out when you think you know. Let's see if you're right. Well done if you said it was a triangle, boys and girls. Fantastic. Okay, next one. Can you guess what this shape is? Ooh, I can see 4 sides, maybe 4 corners. What do we think about the sides? Are they all the same or are they different? That's going to give you a big clue. What do you think that shape is, boys and girls? Well done if you said a square and didn't get tricked thinking it might be a rectangle. Well done. Okay, next one. How many corners? Let's go nice and slow for us. Can you count those corners? What do you think it might be? Let's see if you're right. It's a pentagon. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, let's see what this one is. Count those corners. Ooh, looks like there's some long sides on this one. Does that give us a clue? What is it, boys and girls? Let's see if you're right. I think I know. Yeah, it's that rectangle we've been talking about this week when we were doing number 12. Well done. Super. If you got that. Right, let's see what the next one is. Ooh, lots of corners. I think we know a number block that can help us with this one because their names are very similar. Give you a little bit longer. What do you think it is? It's an octagon. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. And we know that octablock has 8 ones. So octagon, octablock, that gives us a really good way of remembering it. And there's another one. That's a tricky one. What do you think it is? An oval. Do you know what? Give yourselves a big thumbs up because that is tricky. Well done. Right, we are moving on. We're going back to our ordinal numbers. So it's time to watch the number block rally and I'll see you in a second. Enjoy. Okay, welcome back, boys and girls. So what we saw in that was that number 1 came first. Can you remember what first means? Yeah, he came number 1 in the race. He came first. Now, if you were to come after first, tell the adult who's working with you what we would say you came. Great, well done. We would say you would come second. Those letters are a bit tricky, but it's just a shortened way of writing it in letters. And the last one, if you came after second, you would come... Fantastic, you would come third. Okay, so first, second, and third. Now, thinking about first, second, and third, we're going to think about things that we can order ourselves. So, we're going to start with ice cream. Our favourite ice cream. Okay, you might say, that's my favourite ice cream. But actually, we might have 3 that we really like. A first choice, a second choice, and a third choice. If you were maybe at the ice cream farm and you could have all those flavours, what would be your first choice, your second choice, and your third choice? My first choice would be chocolate. My second choice would be, I really like a good vanilla with those little black pods in. I really like that. And my third choice might be, I'm going to say strawberry. Now you'll notice I said my first, my second, and my third. So using those stem sentences like I just said, can you tell the adult who's with you your favourite top 3 ice creams? Off you go. Well done. Welcome back. They're great flavours. To be honest, all ice cream is yummy, isn't it? Okay, this time I want you to think about your favourite colours. So if you could paint your bedroom any colour in the world, what would be your first choice, your second choice, and your third choice? Really using that language for me. Off you go. Okay, now I'm going to order my favourite food. Let's do food this time. So my first favourite, my first choice would be chocolate. Has to be chocolate. My second choice, my second favourite would be lasagna. I love my mum's lasagna. And third choice would be, what do I like? My third, I might choose pizza. I really like pizza. Third choice would be pizza. So, what would your top 3 be? Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Now, the next one might sound a bit crazy, but it'll make sense for what we're doing in a minute. So, what are your top 3 days of the week? My first choice, my very favourite day of the week is Saturday, because I like that on a Saturday I can do whatever I like all day. And I can have a nice lie-in and some grape juice, and it's lots and lots of fun on Saturday. My second favourite day, I think, would be Friday, because it's the last day of the week. And we always have fun on Fridays. We always have happy Fridays. And there's pizza at school, and it's all very exciting. My third favourite day is a Tuesday, I think, because it's PE day. And it's nice and comfy coming in my PE kit and my nice big warm hoodie. And I like doing lots of exercise and PE outside. So Tuesday is my third favourite day. What are your 3 favourite days of the week? Welcome back. Now that may sound like a crazy question, boys and girls, but actually that's something that we do in reception, is we start to think about the days of the week, and we start to be able to think about whether children can remember and recognise days that you do certain things. And that's quite tricky right now, because maybe you can't go to rainbows or any of the things that you would normally, or swimming, or the things that you normally go to, but we'd normally be listening out for the children saying things like, on a Wednesday, I go to Nanny's house, or on a Thursday, Daddy goes to work, or on a Friday, we always have pizza. We have pizza Fridays. So being able to talk about days of the week in reception is a really important thing. So mums and dads, listen out for those things and get them on Tapestry. So to help that, we're going to do some days of the week things today. And that's kind of days of the week. There are 7 days in the week. Number 7 knows that, that's on his song. There are 7 days of the week, and depending on where you start from, we often talk about the first, the second, the third, and actually every day in a month has a number, and we call it the first, second, third, and we'll talk about that at the end. So for now, I've put a video on the school website. So mums and dads, if you can find that for me, and I want you to have a little practice of the days of the week using this song. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Have we got those days of the week in our brain? Well done, fantastic. Now, your next challenge is to put them in order. Now, Mrs. Lyon and I spent a bit of time talking about this, because Mrs. Lyon and I start our week on a Monday. And I always say that Monday is first, Tuesday is second, Wednesday is third, Thursday is fourth, Friday is fifth, Saturday is sixth, and 7th is Sunday. And that's because God rested on the Sunday, which is a story we'll do very, very soon. But that's how I do it. Now, some people start on a Sunday, and we had a big chat about all the reasons why. To be honest, that's up to every individual family, whether you start your week on a Monday or on a Sunday. But we know there are still 7 days in the week, and we can still talk about them being the first, the second, the third, what comes before, what comes next. So to help us with that, I want you to make me a beautiful paper chain. Now, I have uploaded this to the school website, the one I've used. It has the days of the week written on each one, and what I've done is I've attached them to each other. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I haven't coloured mine in, didn't have any time, but you could make yours beautiful. Now, I started on Monday, so that's a conversation to have at home, but I would start on a Monday and finish on a Sunday. I don't think it matters that much. So what I'd like you to do now, if you don't have a printer and you can't print this off, I have put some in the school office. You're more than welcome to go and help yourself. Or if you would rather, you could just cut 7 using an A4 piece of paper, 7 little strips, write on the days of the week and put them in order. Now, boys and girls, I don't expect you to be able to read the days of the week or write the days of the week. If you want to give it a go, challenge yourself, but it's more important that you can order them by either singing songs or just remembering them orally. Okay, make me some beautiful chains. Off you go. Welcome back. They look gorgeous, much more colourful than mine. You could even glitter them and make them exciting. Hang them in your bedroom, hang them in the kitchen. Remember, help you practice those days of the week. Now, did I put something on here? I don't think I did. To keep practicing your days of the week and months of the year, and like I said, every day of each month we call the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh. And some months have 30 days, some months have 31, and we're in a month right now that only has 28 and sometimes 29. So what we do every single day in reception, just to help us really get an understanding of this, is we do our calendar. And you'll see, this is Miss Selwyn's calendar. It's a little bit out of date because we are in the hedgehog class in school at the moment. So we're using my calendar instead. Now, we talk about the day and we sing our days of the week songs. We talk about the date and we add on one more every day. We talk about the month and the weather and the season. You can see there's the colours of the months all match our seasons. Now, this is something that's really lovely that we do every single day and really helps the children get an understanding of time and time passing. So boys and girls, let's have a bit of a nostalgic moment and let's do it all together for today. Since, let's take these off. And then boys and girls, we can practice. I'll remind you of our song we sing every day. And then maybe you could have a little go at home. Right. Now, normally I'd ask you to come up and help me with this, but I'll have to do it myself. So you have to shout the answers at me. What day is it today? Yeah, well done everyone. Thursday. And Thursday begins with the digraph, sticking my tongue out. It's the only day of the week you can stick your tongue out at the teacher. Did you know that? Thursday. Now, what's the date today? Just checking. What's the date today? Yeah, it's the 11th today, which means I need a 110 and a 1-1. It's Thursday the 11th. Now, what month are we in? It's been 2 months since you were here at school. Does anyone know what month we are in? Well done, we're in February. Okay, what's the weather like outside? Now, that's a tricky question, but I'm gonna guess cold. It's been snowy and it's been cold and it's been very, very chilly in this classroom. So I'm gonna stick snowy up there and hopefully you'll have some ice. We'll have some ice and snow outside. And that season that we are in is winter, and you can see February is white and winter is white. But we're coming up soon to March, which will be spring. Have some beautiful flowers outside. Right, so now how we sing this song, boys and girls. You know how to sing this song, so I'm just going to crack on, but you can teach your mums and dads. Today is Thursday. It's February the 11th. It's a snowy day in the winter. Now, we always sing it the second time in a silly voice. You can either shout it, whisper it, gruffalo it, or squeaky mouse it. So boys and girls, you're going to be the teachers now. You're going to sing the song for your mums and dads. So I'm not going to pause the video because my arm's already getting tired. Pause the video so you can see. And then I want you to sing that song with your mums and dads. So you be me and mums and dads can be the children. Off you go. Fantastic. Well done, boys and girls. Now, you don't have to have a calendar like that at home. They're beautiful, but you don't need one. It's just something you can have a conversation with every day. You could write it on a board. You could write it on a piece of paper. I have put a little calendar on the website if that's something you want to start doing at home. It's a really lovely way to get a sense of days of the week, months of the year, and it's really important to be talking about on a Monday we do this, on a Tuesday we do this. And I know routines are out the window and I know it's really hard, but having those conversations is really important at this early age. And that's it. That is our maths done today. Well done, boys and girls. That's all the maths done for this half term. Tomorrow is just phonics and kinetic letters. Well done. You have worked so incredibly hard this half term. We are so proud of every single one of you and all those tapestry things you've been putting on. Keep it up. Enjoy your half term. Relax, have some fun, be a bit silly, and we can't wait to see you after the break. Bye.